Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Shanu is making some eggs for us.
Shannon is both doing.
I think I have the most beautiful view today.
Yeah? No, your head looks fantastic.
Back on the road, there's a lot of hitchhikers today. We noticed a lot of them. We're full. We have picked up some coffee and we're heading to Arrowtown currently. And final destination for the day is Queenstown.
Yeah, today's a driving day. So I'm taking just a short break because it's been the whole day driving. And we found this very cute place with a nice bridge. Can I do it with one hand?
No, I think they should use.
Lovely little city here. Here there's a cafe. You want a Sofika?
Well, in a little bit. I want to go around a little bit first. We are arriving almost in Queenstown.
I think it's right ahead.
It's a very pretty last drive from Arrowtown. It was actually very, very magical.
And we are here on the Spring Creek. Is it called Spring Creek? Maybe not. Helen is preparing lunch for tomorrow.
Yes, and I'm also preparing tea for now, which I forgot about.
I just fried some more eggs. We're eating a lot of eggs. And tomorrow we're gonna be on the road for quite some time. Oh yeah, see if the birds don't take it. Hello there. We've been busy relaxing. Can I say that? We actually decided to take a shower and relax a bit in the camper van. Plan a bit for tomorrow because we're gonna go out super early, right? And now we're going to hit Queenstown. So we got ourselves some macas because I had to try the kiwi burger. Ellen's just been to
Also
nuggets.
because it was so long queue to the first burger.
Yeah, that's true. And we starving. We're gonna have a nice meal by the lake.